How to change song order on Spotify playlist. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to change your song order on Spotify playlist. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. To do this on your mobile app, you just simply need to go into Spotify on your mobile and then find the playlist that you want to change the song order on. I'm going to change the order on this playlist right here, and to do that I simply need to click on these three dots right here and then click on edit. In here you will be able to change the order of the songs just by simply clicking right here and then dragging the song where you want it to be. To do the same process in the computer, then just head into your Spotify on the desktop and then find the playlist. And when you have found the playlist, just simply click on a song that you want to change the order on, and just drag it to the position that you want it to be instead. So this is how to change song order on Spotify playlist. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.